Hello team, as I have given the challenge of doing something linked to your hobby, and as you all know that my hobby is primarily cooking. So today I thought of making something called yakni pulao for my family. So I'll try to make it for 4 family members, and without wasting time I'll quickly show you all the major ingredients I would need for yakni pulao. Okay, so here I have mutton, 750 grams of mutton. I have soaked basmati rice. I don't remember the quantity. I have a measuring cup. Using that I have selected these. Then I have some whole spices like cardamom. So black cardamom and green cardamom. Then I have few cloves. This is shao morich. This is cinnamon stick. Then I have this is fennel seed or mori in Bangla. This is jeera. This is dhone. So cumin seed and coriander seed. Bay leaf. Then I have star anise, whole ginger, whole garlic. Though it's not whole, a little bit of garlic I have kept to make up paste as well. Then I have few onion, and then I have one tomato, right? Here I have curd and here I have ghee. It would be good if you can have desi ghee or gawa ghee as we call in Bengali, but here I am using jhana ghee. And I would need a plain malmal ka kapra to make a potli of these masala. And one more thing, the spices that I am using here, I will also require similar set of spices once I cook the mutton as well separately. So that I will show you once I start the process. Okay. So now let's start the process. So I have added tomato, onion, garlic, ginger and green chilies with the mutton, right? And then I have made this potli. So it has all the whole spices. So I'll add it here and I will add water to this. So this is the pressure cooker. I will need a little bit of more water. I think this is sufficient. And I'll add salt to this. So we'll be adding salt here. Then when I'll cook the mutton again, I'll add some bit of salt there as well. And then the last chance would be when we give the rice for dum. So now I'll cover the cooker with the lid. Turn the flame on. Oh, I forgot to switch. I forgot to turn on my cylinder. Right. So now let the mutton and all other ingredients boil for some time.
How many cities?
I'll tell that later. Done. Okay. So the mutton has been boiled. What I'll do is I'll just separate out the mutton first. Okay. So it's a time-consuming process. Please bear with me. And it smells amazing. So this is the smell of mutton with the yakni. So yakni is basically this extract of the whole spices. So that's what called yakni. So I have this potli which I will take out. I'll separate out it here. hot. So that's the whole curry. That's the whole tomato. Okay, these are the onions. So I'll take the mutton piece out here. Yeah, I think there is no other solid piece of mutton. So this is the ginger. So what I'll do is now I'll keep the mutton aside and I'll strain this yakni. In the strainer. Okay, great. So we place okay. Now need to maybe just press a little just to extract the flavors properly, and then this is a waste actually. This has been extracted. The portly I will not need, so I'll just take it out.
Okay.
So as you can see, after I added the whole spices, ginger garlic paste, onion paste and green chilies, I have added the mutton, and then I have also added beaten curd. So make sure once you add the curd, you need to beat it first. So otherwise it will form lumps. So, and then what I am doing is what you call in Bengali koshano. So I am doing that, mangsho koshacchi, and I am almost done. So what I will now do is, this looks yummy. I will now add the yakni of this extract to this one. So yes, I have added these, and this is giving amazing flavor. So I'll give it to a boil. So I'll increase the flame. Now one thing for my vegetarian friends, you can also make something called chanar pulao or paneer pulao using the same concept of yakni. So instead of mutton, you don't need to add mutton over there, as well as don't add garlic and onion, but definitely add tomato and ginger and all other whole spices as I have shown you, and chane ka dal. So add that as well in the potli. Take this much of quantity, right? And then you extract again this yakni, which is a vegetarian form of this, right? And you can also use chena or paneer. So chena, I hope you all know, right? So you can make small balls or use medium sized paneer cube. Take whole red chilies, and take whole red chilies, make it in pieces, and then just grind it with little bit of what you call salt and sugar, and then just marinate your paneer or chena with this red chili and this paste, and then fry it. And instead of mutton, you can actually use that chena ball or paneer pieces, right? And you can use the same yakni as I mentioned with chane ka dal. So use that yakni to make the pulao. So instead of water, use that yakni. It will give you amazing flavor. So we will wait for this thing to get boiled. And meanwhile, I'll just get another lid. So this is a pressure cooker cum kadhai that you can use. So I have another lid of this. I'll just get that. And by the way, for today the video courtesy goes to my husband Aurobindo Pal. He's very enthusiastic, so thank you Aurobindo for shooting this out for me.
Welcome.
Okay. So this has almost started boiling. Oh, one more thing. So when you do this, right, you cook the mutton, add a little bit of salt as well. So yakni is boiling. I hope it's captured in the video. Now I'll add the soaked basmati rice. This is for the first time I am cooking while someone is shooting and I'm explaining how to do it. I've never done it in my life before. And I'm scared. I hope it turns out good. So, yes, I have added these. Now I'll just give it a quick stir. I'll release my ghee. I'll add again 1 spoon of ghee into this. My husband has melted the ghee. Thank you. And as I mentioned, this is the final chance of adding salt. So I am doing that. So now it's done. Now the rice and the mutton will be given in what we call this dum. So dum is nothing but you cook it in very low flame. So this is the lid, and I actually need to cover this hole. So I'll probably use little bit of atta or maybe even a small piece of paper will also help. So you just need to cover this hole, right? And you keep your flame at low to medium flame for 15 minutes. Just cook it. After this 15 minutes, you have to be patient for more 15 minutes. So don't open the lid. Switch off the turn of the gas, but turn of the burner, but don't open the lid. So for another 15 minutes, let it be in that warm burner itself only, though turned off. And then you can just remove the lid and add again 1 spoon of ghee, and your yakni pulao will be absolutely done. So I'll show you finally how it turns out. Thank you.